Hi, this is Alex with Northeast Factory Direct, and I can't believe it's been 20 years since our humble beginnings, starting out of a small garage in Lakewood with one dining room set and a pickup truck. I was just thinking that feels just like yesterday when I was meeting folks in the garage, showing them this beautiful 18th century dining room set, and they were elated with the quality and the price. And then I would load it into my pickup truck and drive it over and set it up at their home, and they were happy, I was happy. It was just an amazing feeling that we really thought we were onto something. So from there we grew from that garage to a storage unit, and then added more storage units. We added things like bedroom sets, mattresses, and grew out of the storage units and moved into a small auto body shop. And now we're in 3 large warehouses, which are essentially just big garages. So since it's been 20 years, and we thought, boy, we should really probably try to celebrate that with some sort of event. And since we typically don't do any sales or President's Day sales or anything, we came up with, why not call it a garage sale or a garage sale event. What that means to you is special pricing on a lot of items. This weekend we're here at we're going to be at our clearance center in Maple Heights, where the deals are even better. And it's a huge garage, and we have things like sectionals, dining room sets, stuff that maybe came back because it didn't fit into somebody's basement, or I made a mistake and ordered the wrong color chairs, and something that might have a nick on it. But we're selling this stuff at cost or below, which is really a good value. I would take advantage of a lot of the deals that we have here this weekend. For more information, you can go to our website, which is northeastfactorydirect.com.